All right, so I wanted to let you in on a particular quirk or a particular something. You have to sort of go against your instincts at a particular point. When you've made a bunch of money or when you've increased your work rate, the idea is that you feel free enough to ease up. However, the consolidation of this is only done by increasing your discipline and increasing like your intensity, your focus, your marching forward, making it more consistent and making sure that there's no wastage at this point in time. Increasing is what makes it into actual power rather than a brief spurt of, you know what I mean, affluence or money or something like that. For it to become the next level, you need to stabilize it. It means if someone gives you $100 tip on your on your photo shoot, right? Assuming that's what you're measuring in terms of success, it then becomes that week, intensify your work. And don't mess around with that $100 tip or like the money that you've been given. The idea is you use it to reinforce the new level that you are at. This is counterintuitive because the moment you get $100, you think, oh, I can go and get an ice cream or something. How about you don't get an ice cream? How about you don't? You get $1,000. You say, oh, finally, I could get myself a Samsung S25. How about you don't? How about you don't? How about you get yourself what you need, right? And use the rest to invest in more business items. I am not good at not spending money, but I'll tell you what, I'm good at thinking. So I'll put money in the right place. You could give me R1 million, which has happened before, actually. You could give me R1 million and I won't buy anything personal with it. I'll just immediately put it into business and that's all. And it'll be like nothing happened, but because I know that I'm not using a rand of it, I'm not using $1, I'm not using a cent on anything personal. And then it becomes power. Of course, like it's against your nature to do something like this, but also realize that it's against your nature to have power anyway. You're defying the system, you're freeing yourself from the matrix, you are flying in human form. It's not supposed to be easy. Do it.